Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create workspace in Monday.com. In my previous video, I've explained about Monday.com and how we can use it, creating of the projects and detailed outline about the Monday.com. But in this video, I will explain you how we can create and customize the workspace in Monday.com. So if you wanted to learn more about the Monday.com, feel free to add in the comment sections. Should I create more videos or more descriptive video about Monday.com, or will pause here? Exactly same like Jira. In Jira, I've already created more than 300 plus video, which is another project management tool. If you want me to create more videos related to Monday.com as well, detailed or descriptive videos related to Monday.com, feel free to add in the comment section so that I can add more content related to that. Now, to start with today's sessions, first you need Monday.com login. If you have already logged in, navigate it to the sections. From here, just click on add new workspace. From here, you can define your workspace name. Let's consider I wanted to provide the workspace name as Rai Gurukul. Here, the privacy is open. If you want, even you can create it open or closed. Any of the options, you can select it. Click on add workspace, and from here, you can see this workspace is added successfully. To make this workspace usable, you have to add from template. So which templates you wanted to use it. So basically templates are customized or built-in templates, which is provided by the monday.com. Whenever you want, you can use this template or customize it according to your projects. Let's consider you're working into sales and CRM domain. In that case, you have these templates available. By using that, you can take or move your projects towards that directions, because the fields which is created within these templates are relevant to the CRM and sales. If you're working as a freelancer, you wanted to create as a work calendar or custom request or campaign planning or even event management or single projects, you can use it these templates. If you're working into the design team, you can use design related templates like client campaign for each. Software developments are having feature specification, workload, feature and release road, internal release notes, ID service deck, product roadmap. All those templates are available. Even you can have Kanban as well as test plan or Scrum options are also available, which will use it for making your life easier. As of now here, I wanted to use CRM or sales related stuff. Like I am working on the basic CRM, so I will use the CRM, and you can see this is starting with the deals, then owner, stages, priority, and close probability. Click on use templates. I will use it and proceed it further. Now here you can see whenever we'll use this template, we have by default views are available. If you want, even you can delete it or modify it according to your requirement. But here this is for the high level overview where you can see the deal options available here. If I want, I can add even updates or add some more data like adding files, emojis, mentioning the detailed descriptions, and post that I will click on update. This field will be updated successfully. Here I am having detail view where I can add sub items related to this data. So exactly similar way, we can use it for adding main or sub items, and based on that, we can open the relevant information. Here, this workspace are helping me to create details or add the details based on the main view, type, email, company name, deals, phone numbers, everything. This is related with the contact number. If you can see here, deal tracker is also containing several sub items. If you want, you can add new item as task 5. Here you can add the owner name with whom you want to assign or with whom you want to assign it to. Right now I'm assigning myself. So here you can see my name is listed. As of now, the owner is me for every options. But if you want, even you can invite a new member by emails, or if that person is available, hold control for multiple options where you can add your team members. Status are basically working on it, done, or even the labels point of view, you can edit it. If you want, you can add stock. If you want, even you can add more number of fields which is relevant or which is relevant to tag to your projects. Contact informations, if you want, you can even add the person name, whom contact data we have. Priority is showing high for this one, but even if you want, you can modify it just clicking on this, and you can change this priority like from high to medium. I wanted to mark this fields as medium total depending on criticality. Deal length is 47 days, but if you want, even you can customize it. So here we have the query sections, and based on this data, you can set the formula, and the deal value is 70k dollar. But if you want, you can modify it or make it even more or less. Close dates are basically helping you to identify it when this is going to be ends or when this is going to be completed for this projects. Similar way, you can also see different items. Here you have multiple updates options available. So let's consider you walking into the project where you have 400 plus items and you want to modify it, or you want to modify all 400 together. In that case, multiple updates are playing a very crucial role where this will save a lot of your time and space. If you want, even export it, you want to move to the next folder or next workspace, that is also fine. You can do it from here. Delete. Let's consider you don't want these items to be listed into your board or workspace. You can always delete it. If you want, even you can export this informations into the Excel sheet. Archiving, delete options are available, and here you can see by using this options you can make your life easier while using monday.com. Now, if you want, even add the new groups or new informations, whichever you want, you can add it from here. These are the documentation sections are available. Whenever you want, feel free to refer it for understanding the several concepts. And next is sales dashboards. So whichever informations you have created, you can see the detailed sales dashboard, where this dashboards will helping you to identify or quickly view the average value won for deals or the actual revenue for this particular workspace, pipeline, which all pipelines we have, actual revenue by month. So all those informations are listed here. Deal stage by preparations, deal progress based on the month, all those data are listed here. So that's how we can create a workspace and relevant informations and use it for ourselves and CRM perspective. Similar way, you can also replicate it for other projects or for other domain projects, which will be very helpful for you to use monday.com to make your life streamlined or project streamlines and make your life easier. So that's all. If you wanted me to create more videos related to monday.com, it's exactly same like Jira, where I have built more than 300 plus video, which is again a project management tool. If you want me to create more videos or more detailed videos related to monday.com, feel free to add your comment in the comment section so that it will help me to make decisions to continue further adding more videos related to monday.com. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.